Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards and see what we get today. Take in what resonates with you and leave out the rest. Unexpected events do happen in life. Think back to a moment in time when the universe presented you with an opportunity. Perhaps you didn't realize how special it was. Think about the magical experience that occurred because of this event. Give thanks for the universe truly being a magical and mysterious place. And today's angel number 111, manifestation. I am powerful creator of my reality. Every thought and intention I hold aligns with the universe to manifest my dreams into existence. I trust in my ability to attract abundance and joy. Blooming pathways. Embrace new opportunities and nurture growth like a blossoming garden. All right, and today's quote box or envelope, let's do this one. Today, allow yourself to share an inner dream with a loved one you trust. In doing so, you are planting the seed for it to grow. Keep it simple. Eat real food, go for walks, wake up early and lift weights, cook your own meals, soak up the sunlight, limit alcohol and other toxins, spend more time with loved ones. Simple is powerful. Your nervous system will regulate when you accept who you are. Most of us spend years trying to be who we think we should be, when finally accepting who we are is how we find peace. If there is a habit you wish to change, you'll need to learn new ways of thinking to change the narratives around your habits. What are your supporting beliefs about this habit? Focus on your main relationships. Name one blessing and one challenge each relationship brings to your life. Now, ask yourself, what blessings and challenges are you giving back to the relationships? And the last one today, there are soulmates and then there are saltmates, where you and another person have an unbreakable bond by being salty about the same things. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.